I mean, we are a bit nerdy when it comes to subscription management. And I think like the most important part is ensuring accurate data tracking and have sort of all data in one place. And especially like adding another growth motion, it's even more. How should you think about that?
Of course, I do think like it's becoming more and more obvious that one thing's for sure, you cannot run this in a spreadsheet. I think we're past that now. So you definitely need a platform, and there are different platforms out there and they are good at different things. And I think what's important is really selecting a platform that can accommodate your data without customization, because you're going to need it, right? If you're not able to get your data into the system, you will not be able to analyze your data, and that will make it a lot more difficult for you in every aspect of it. So setting up this single source of truth, and spend some time of doing the boring part of data models, because we will all need to be more data driven. It's more difficult than ever, and we have to be smarter than ever. So we need that data. So that's one thing. And how do you do that? Well, I think like one thing, select that platform. You need to standardize some processes, how you get the data in, data quality, being cautious of how you get the data in, preferably like integrate and pulling your data in a very standardized way without human touch, so that you can really set up this flywheel around one source of truth, adding automation and working on data quality, and you will have something that is working, well for you and supports you. It's not necessarily easy, but it's not complicated either, right? I think we all know this, but we also need to do it.
A little bit like what I draw from this is finding a solution to fit your current needs, but also for the future to facilitate a little bit of flexibility.
Definitely. And I mean, most of us, you hear us talking about when are we gonna, do certain things, etc. And I'm sure everyone else is sort of doing that as well, whether it's, pivoting, it's adding something, it's tweaking something. Maybe there are different phases of your company. At certain stages, you need to employ different strategies. Maybe you're buying companies. Maybe, there are so many different ways, and it will change. So, I mean, definitely it should be supporting you, not right now, but for the coming, I don't know, 10 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years.